Whatever happened to predictability? The milkman, the paper boy, evening TV. You miss your old familiar friends, but waiting just around the bend. Everywhere you look, there's a heart, a hand to hold on to. Everywhere you look, there's a lust of somebody.
Oh, hey, how was your day at school?
The teacher called Daddy because I threw scissors at her.
Why on earth would you do that?
Hey, kids. Hey, Mom.
Oh, hey, Sonia. How was work?
It was okay, I guess. Where's your father?
I just got off the phone. He said to be home in a couple minutes.
Okay. How was your day, kids?
We learned how to spell cat.
How do you spell it?
K-A-T.
That's great. Where's Melanie?
I think she stayed after school for a project.
I'm home.
Hey, Dan.
Leah, I got a call from...
Leo, go set the table.
Dinner's ready.
How was your day, Dan?
Well, it was going great until I got a call from Leah's teacher. Leah, why don't you explain what you did wrong?
I threw my scissors at my teacher.
Leo, why would you do that?
She told me to take a nap and I wanted to keep playing.
Well, I'm canceling your birthday party.
Mom!
Leah, calm down.
Hey! Leah, go to your room.
Fine.
So, Pa, can I borrow the car tonight?
Yes.
So, is this a yes or a no?
Yes. Just let the kid take the car.
I would, but he still hasn't paid us back for the time that he dented the bumper.
Why do you need the car tonight?
I got a hot date tonight, Pa.
With who?
Bertha Black.
Nice.
The answer is still no.
Oh, come on, Sonia.
I'm sure she's a nice girl.
I still want to meet her, though.
You're not my real mom.
Let's clean up. We should just let him take the car.
Okay, Jake, if you do the dishes, we'll let you take the car.
Okay. So wait, Pa, just these?
Yeah, these ones and those ones.
Alright, cool. Thank you.
Leah, you want to come watch a movie?
Yeah!
Hey, yo, Pa, I was gonna go out now?
Not without the keys.
Thanks.
Bye, Jake.
Bye.
See you, Jake.
Have fun with your movie.
Have fun with Bertha Black.
Oh, I will.